Hi, I'm Joan Schatz. I'm co-president of Park Industries, and I am humbled and honored to be a 2018 STEP Award recipient. Park Industries is the largest manufacturer of stoneworking equipment in North America, and our technology helps our customers to be more productive, more efficient, to be more successful every day. I gravitated towards manufacturing early in my career because at its heart, manufacturing is a creative process, one where people have the opportunity to use their talents, push boundaries, work as a team, all while enjoying personal, professional, and financial rewards. Every day, I get to work with incredibly talented, smart, innovative people to solve problems that make our little corner of the world a better place. Moreover, manufacturing is the cornerstone of our economy. Manufacturers create jobs not only within our enterprises, but also in related support activities. And manufacturing jobs are good jobs, careers with real potential for advancement. Now is a particularly exciting time to be in manufacturing. The growth opportunities, coupled with all the technology changes that are occurring, make manufacturing a very dynamic place to be. The technology changes are not only changing the machines that we make, but how we make them. I feel very fortunate to have had the opportunity to work in manufacturing for the better part of my career and to have had great leaders and mentors along the way that helped me to grow. And now, I have the opportunity to contribute to the success of all the wonderful people we have at Park. It's very rewarding for me to go home at the end of the day knowing that I've been a part of building something that makes people's lives just a little better. I've been a part of building futures for our associates. I've been able to help to build our community in the process. And what could be better than that?